Hey, welcome to our little world. Hey, it's Don from the Nearly Historical Railroad channel. So, the world's a little crazy at the moment. So Jim's not gonna come, John's not gonna come, I think Scott's not gonna come. I'm here, my dad's here, but yeah, people are just kind of staying in their houses. Probably good. So anyways, I'm gonna show you some stuff that my dad did while we were gone. You and me, because I didn't have my camera and I wasn't here and you didn't see it and I didn't see it. So I'll show you that. And I'm gonna work on Kenosha Pass. That's like the last little bit of narrow gauge-ish in that area anyways to do. So, gonna work on that. And you know, who knows? We'll see what else happens. All right. So, you've been watching our videos, you know this little area is known as Cimarron. My dad and I just talked about it some more. Because we'd like to do something with it. Track work is working and yeah, I need to try to get some town going, so clock. Okay, point of reference. So this is where we were working in the last videos. This is Alpine Station. And over here is gonna be the Palisades area. There's some pictures of kind of what we're going for here. So that's that. And up here is Kenosha Pass. I actually have started working on this turnout over here. It's gonna go in there. All right, so I just made a copy of that for two reasons. So I have a original still around, and I got it more centered on the page now. Hopefully it's the same size, should be. Someone's been making curved turnouts. This is just a piece of sheetrock. All right, so I think I will use this as kind of a reference to figure out where I want to put copper ties on this. Oh. Marking where I need to cut gaps. So at this point, I realized that I cut these all with the standard gauge size of ties and not the narrow gauge of ties. So I am not going to care. This turnout's going to be up where it's kind of hard to see. Anyways, you're not really going to see it. So yeah, I'm just gonna go with it. Oh well. They're not any thicker this way. They are wider this way. So thickness is the same, so they'll work out. They're just not gonna match up perfect with the wood ties. Oops. Yeah, that was I messed that up. Oh well. Okay, I'm editing this video. I'm gonna stop for just a second. So I kind of did that earlier in the day, and that was at my house. Remember that my dad's train layout is out at his house. So I just thought I'd throw this into this video, and I just really hold on, just. I'll be right back. Oh, that could be useful. cry. That's much better. Okay. I can finally think straight now. All right, I'm gonna get back to the video. Here we go. So that's good. But so we need to get that in, but also there's this one stretch of track here that still needs some rail. So I'm gonna work on that tonight. All right, catch you in a minute. So I got this rail in all the way through. And this rail, well, it started. It started. We're getting close. Well, so this is Como and the Como Roundhouse. And one of the things my dad has started is carving up a new center post here out of hydrocal. So someday we'll get that in. He's kind of working on this. Here's some interior stuff that he fixed up also. Also here in Como, this thing has had better days. We've always banging on stuff and knocking it over. So my dad's actually started getting it put back together and glued back together. So that'll be nice to have that actually fixed. Got aspen trees. So this is Cimarron, and my dad is raising things up to be a little bit more level with the track so that we can just run the road straight across. And we'll go and put the buildings and everything on there. We just happen to have a bunch of green plywood. So he's carving that up to make it fit. So this way the road will be level with the top of the rail. And we can just go right over it. I think we're just gonna put the road directly on this. I think that'll work out fine. In the last video we talked about my dad putting up fascia board right here. So that is quite nice. And I don't even know where it was, but there was a pretty big gap, I think like right in here. So he filled that in. Just little stuff that makes a big difference. You don't notice it much. And he also got the UP5 actually inset into there. There's another look at the aspen trees that he put in. There actually was quite a bit of aspen trees that went through here. So this is kind of nice. It's actually kind of prototypical of the Como area. And also over here at the Buena Vista tunnels, he stuck a set of aspen trees right here. So it's like perfect. It's kind of like where the water comes down, and I like that. It looks really nice. There's our main street in Como, and what I'm really showing you though is that he got another UP5 actually put into the fascia there. So that's nice. I got a cutout kind of early tonight, so got a little bit done. I think my dad's gonna keep working on that a little bit. Get that wood in there maybe. Yeah, I need to go home early tonight. So anyways, got a little bit done up there at Kenosha Pass, and showed you some of the other stuff my dad had done. And well, I think, you know what? I used pine up there. And putting spikes into it is not that great. Sometimes it's soft, sometimes it's not. I wouldn't use pine. I'm gonna use Homicide or something else for the Romley area over there. It's just not worth it. So anyways, that's my one bit of advice. If you want a tip, that's it. So I'm on my way out. My camera's packed up, using my phone. And of course, always on the way out, you start looking at stuff one more time. I think we've decided that maybe this is a little too thick. And we might try and do something a little thinner. The good news is we have a template of what we need.
Right.
So this like lines up right with the rail, but really the road maybe should kind of go up a little bit to the track. So we might not use this wood, but we're gonna use something similar. We're still going with this idea, but maybe not as thick. We'll see you later. Ring the little bell so you get notifications of new videos that come out and all that type of stuff. Subscribe if you haven't already. And thank you. Thanks for watching, everybody. And all that. All right. Packing up. See ya.